look, because he's got fangs. I'm just here for the candy. Hey, pumpkin. I don't get it. Grizzly Flats. Wait, it's not Grizzly Flats anymore, is it?
Wait, the whole
it
area
is Grizzly.
The whole area is Grizzly Peak, and that's the Grizzly Peak Airfield.
Okay.
It's not Condor Flats.
I want to go to the Grizzly Peak Airfield. Oh my God, there we are. Hi. Hot dogs today? Oh, where are we going?
We're taking along with that crowd.
Can we go look at the people falling down the rafts and stuff? Wow. Oh, they stopped it. Come on. Uh-oh. I think they're gonna get it. It stays on for a while. Oh, you got the very end of it. Nope. Oh, it's going, it's going. Oh!
We were in that.
Yep. We got it coming and going. So much fun.
We didn't get wet.
Just stopped, yep.
that date with Minnie Mouse at 11:30.
I remember summer.
I hated it.
You doing chocolate? Yeah. Yeah, it's very summery, isn't it?
Oh my god, look at the freaking fun wheel. So cute.
I think these are the power round.
No.
Yeah, I think you mean the pal around.
No, I mean the fun wheel.
Oh.
That was never fun to begin with.
Ooh, what are those things right there? Those lemon drop looking things.
Those are baby lemons dipped in sugar.
They do look like baby lemons dipped in sugar. That's fun. That's a fun display.
On display, on display.
Are we going to schmoozies now? Is that what we're saying?
I'm down for
So
some schmooze.
Yeah? You guys want some schmooze? We're stalling for lunch. I think we're gonna have lunch, either hot dogs or smoke jumpers, but we haven't decided yet. So what's that schmoozy, Sarah? What are you getting?
Oh.
Not yet. Not yet. It's not yet. We gotta go to the store. We gotta go to the home store. We're saving that for later.
In the home store.
Why not?
David, did you hear what I said?
What?
Home store.
That's not going to be in the home store.
Oh, that.
Clothing.
The only stuff here that might be in the home store would be the mugs.
Where else? Yeah, where else would we look for this stuff then? What store should we look at?
Probably this one right here.
Or Buena
Damn you,
Vista.
Ian. Damn you, Ian. Yeah, or Emporium maybe, or we can look at this when we're done getting your schmoozy.
Yeah, these won't be at the home.
Okay, we'll shop here then. We'll shop here and the home store. Oh my gosh, we're gonna shop till we drop.
We are out of control.
Woo! They should make a shirt about that, and then we'll all be ironic.
But it won't really be.
Right.
Because once everyone's doing it, it kind of stops being ironic.
Oh, okay. I want a shirt on it that says "Shop till you drop," because it rhymes. And rhyming is fun. This has been canceled. Fresh Baked.
Well, schmoozies is not a good line.
It's canceled. It's slow.
I hate to dog on schmoozies, but
Yeah, it takes them forever.
they
Kind of.
do not have their act together there.
Well, maybe it takes a long time to make that stuff. I don't know.
think it does, David.
No. I'm trying.
I know you are.
I'm always looking for, because
I
I'm very positive and optimistic.
No, I appreciate your defense.
Well, that was being ironic
I
also,
would
but-
typically be the same, but I can't give schmoozies too much credit.
Yeah, we were there last couple weeks ago, Ian and I, getting a schmoozy, and it took a solid 20 minutes.
Well, so that's what I mean. So like, I'm already
It was
cranky.
like half that length of line.
Right,
Yeah,
like I'm already
right.
cranky, and that's just
Yeah.
gonna make it 10 times worse.
There were
Like, that's
two
not
people
gonna
ahead
help
of me, and,
Right.
and we waited a very long time.
There was like 20 people
I know.
ahead of us, so
We didn't even show you the line.
we're just not gonna.
Well,
do
let's
that.
go in here then. Let's go to Hollywood.
Here.
Go in Hollywood and look at the stuff. Look at all the costumes they have out front.
David.
Does that come in Sarah's size?
Freaking better.
Does it talk?
Nothing's happening.
I think he's
Okay.
just trying to trick you to inappropriately touch a small child.
You know what happens?
Definitely
It's when
happening.
his suit turns into like bulletproof stuff.
Vibranium?
Is it supposed to light up or something?
Yeah.
Right, because the purple? I don't know.
Ian,
Iron Spider.
are you being serious?
Did you see Infinity War?
Yeah?
Apparently,
He had an
that's
outfit and he had these things?
I forgot that.
Okay, well,
clearly.
He did.
Wow, did I forget? Because that looks wrong. Iron Spider.
Iron Spider suit.
Oh, I don't like it.
There's 4, so that means combined he has 8 appendages.
Oh my gosh. You can be this one princess, I forgot her name, and her also, and that one
chick?
too. That one over here also. Yeah. You could be all those. Goofy.
Are you kidding me?
Goofy's a mummy. Goofy's a mummy.
Okay,
That's cute.
so these are definitely. I'm feeling like we're gonna get some fresh things this year because
Yeah.
Goofy's kind of tired.
Yeah. Well, remember last year his costume?
That's what I'm saying.
That didn't go over very well.
No.
Did not.
Oh, not the DCA costume.
Yeah, the costume he wore here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was.
Yeah. No, not good.
So I'm feeling really
Yeah.
positive.
Let's hope they amend that. He looks
Appropriate.
rather villainous.
Very appropriate.
Thanks for fixing that. That was bugging me.
Precious.
Yeah. indeed.
$19.99. And the king and the queen. Look at how angry Mickey is.
Look, because he's got fangs. Oh my gosh.
Dude, can you see what those fangs are? Stop it. Zoom
They're
back in.
Candy corn.
Oh.
Cute.
Why don't you ask Mickey why he's wearing a cape?
Because he's Dracula.
So that's just a sufficient answer.
Is Eric being a vampire?
Maybe he is.
Or a superhero?
Maybe he
Those are not
is.
the capes existed before superheroes or vampires.
But my question is, why?
Because he's royalty and it looks cool on a royal person to wear a cape. There, that's all you need. You're done.
Wow.
Let's be real.
That's a long version of saying don't need a reason.
Didn't Sherlock Holmes?
No,
wear-
I gave a reason. I was saying, I gave a reason. You just didn't.
Didn't Sherlock Holmes wear a cape?
He
Word of a long
might
time.
have.
I'd say
No,
there's
it's
more-
right. It was a London fog.
Not a cape.
Not a
Not
cape.
quite.
It's a cape.
Similar, but not the same.
I must just ask this guy why he's like, why are you on
Yeah.
my back like that?
Can you get out of my space?
Can you get out of my bubble? My bad.
Well, this is, wow, they really changed the shop up.
Okay.
merchandise
Wow.
changes everything.
Me.
I know, right? You want to be a pirate?
Precious.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
I guess you can get an adult size if you go to Party City.
No, David, I'm dying over this. Look at her little baby.
Oh my God.
I just want to snuggle with a little baby Jack. Don't put babies in this. I'll take your baby away from you and I'll get arrested. Hey, look it. Why is Disney copying me?
Aren't masks not allowed in the park?
That's correct.
Well, as long as you can see the eyes.
Oh, actually, no. I think David is also correct. I think yeah.
Just can't cover the whole face.
Hey. And then he does. Isn't this what you get in the
Yeah, Star Tours. I always felt like this would be terribly uncomfortable.
Star Tours?
Yeah. You find these at the gift shop in Star Tours.
No, this is the adult version of what the kids.
Oh, that actually
get.
says Trials of the Temple. It does. Look at that.
Right? Isn't that?
Well, the kids don't keep them, obviously.
But this is what they get to rock.
This is better than that.
This is a nicer material.
A nicer version of that. That is definitely the polyester, use it 20 times type thing.
So now the big boys get one too. What's up?
Have you seen the Ant-Man and the Wasp costumes?
These Ant-Man and Wasp costumes?
Yeah.
All right. None of them work.
I'm assuming you're supposed to put like batteries in,
You know what?
and they light up.
I think what happens actually when you press this button, it shrinks. But it's not working.
Well, I mean, it does say shrink and grow with pin particle controller.
I was just gonna say it needs more pin particles.
Well, but then here it says comes with things that light up with sound. So you know.
Okay, where's the Halloween stuff?
These are costumes, or these are the
Well, I mean like pumpkin. I want something with pumpkin, like this thing. A pumpkin hat that I don't really enjoy very much, but still it's there.
Again, it's still better than the Jack hat.
It's true. I want candy.
This is actually like leather bound.
Oh, you're right. It is.
That's pretty cool.
Is that $1,000?
Yes. $32.99.
Wow,
Same thing.
that is very nice. I like that a lot.
I'm liking what I'm seeing.
I like that. I like that. They got some new bowls. I think these are new. That's a new bowl this
That's
year.
new, yeah.
Yeah. I'm just here for the candy.
I almost want to say that this is a new thing that they have as well. This is cheddar and butter, and then there's candy corns in here.
Candy corn. Oh, you put candy corn in anything and it makes it delicious.
This actually looks really good.
Is it? I think it's just all sugary.
same?
It's just because it says candy corn popcorn. I think it's just
Oh, you're right. Just colorful.
like when they do the.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because candy corn doesn't taste like cheese.
No.
Correct.
No. Hey, pumpkin. I don't get it.
I
Sometimes,
like it.
You like that one?
I like it.
What about a towel that says, hey, pumpkin?
see, sometimes people refer to their significant others as pumpkin.
Oh, I thought they were like there's a pumpkin that lives in the house, and they're like, "Hey, pumpkin,
It could be both.
did you drink all the milk?"
It could
You're
be
a
both.
jerk.
The pumpkin could be their pumpkin.
Oh, hey, pumpkin.
Yeah.
Why are these dishes still in the sink?
Exactly.
Like that?
Yeah.
It's like $50.
Hey, pumpkin.
No, ma'am, it does not.
See? I don't think. Ian.
No, but she understood that was the intent. She didn't like it, but she understood what it meant.
Oh, look. There we go. Oh, are there pin particles in this? Oh, no, you broke it, sir. Oh, there it goes again.
Oh my God.
Light up socks.
What about this one right here?
This is one of those block calendars.
Yes, Sarah.
Socks go under pants.
They do.
So you would have to wear like skirt or shorts.
And then wear your long socks
Those
with
are
that.
for when you're in the house and just chilling.
And just stare at them with your 80.
with your underwear and
lean
just
down and-
yeah. But hey, will you press my socks,
Turn on your
please?
socks.
Because you can't.
Just give me a moment, give me a moment. And then you fall over and
My legs don't work
I
like
wish
that.
I could be a fan of this.
You wish, huh? Oh, look at this. This one's totally bewitching.
Oh God, I love this so
know.
much.
Oh my God.
We have some chocolatey coated marshmallows and a booty you cup. There you go, booty you. Do you put stuff in here?
That's a candle holder. Do you see the
So
back?
candles. You put candles in there.
See the back? You put it in, you light it, you turn around. It is lit.
Got it. If you got it, haunt it.
I need that.
I like this because look in the back.
That is great. That is great.
And I got a medium, so maybe it's a medium.
Yeah? Yeah, it is.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!